All right, time for another repair of some original equipment. We've got our 50 amp cable here for our plug-in, and we just been on a camping trip and we had this plugged in out to the receptacle or the I don't know, the pedestal where the electrical service was. Everything worked fine, but when we got home, it's falling apart. So this is 45-year-old Bakelite plastic, and it just broke out in the center here. So I don't see any way to fix or repair this. It's already kind of pulling apart, and the insulation was a little questionable here. So I think it's time for a fix. I got a replacement. So I went with kind of just your generic 50 amp RV plug. It's got a nice handle on it. It's bright yellow, so I don't know, I guess you can see it, you don't run over it or something. But basically same pin orientation, 50 amp connection. Should be able to just wire this right in. So that's my plan, and I think this will be a pretty quick, easy project. All right, so the wiring is pretty straightforward here. I will just wire things exactly the way they were set up on the other plug. So all the same terminals here. These pretty easily slide out. So you can take those out to take out the screws. Same thing here, you push on these and they will pop out, or at least slide up so that you can get a good connection, get the wire clamped in there well. And should be pretty straightforward. And I'm looking at the kind of orientation of things here, and it looks like this area that's going to grip the insulation is longer on the new one than it was on the old one. So I was thinking I might need to trim these wires back and shorten things to be able to get a good grip on this insulation, but I think this new plug is going to work out great there. So we'll make the connections and swap things over. Okay, well, I've got it all wired up, and the insulation nicely fits into where it will clamp down here. Basically just need to put the back on, clamp that down with the cover, and I think this project is all done.